video.
Hmm.
I teach you how. So,
Kaka ni panipuri.
pani puri. So, you get many potato because if you love yourself, you don't give eme lang. You give all of it. If there's more to give, why kuripot it? Amen?
Amen.
So, I fill it up. And you see this? I don't know what this is, but it's good. So, I fill it up too. With everything I can give. And you see this? Is the sauce. And then, we eat.
Feel ko spicy yan siya na sauce. Ay, hindi pala.
Very good.
Ala ka, wala nagibin lang.
Ay, you want?
Ay, naman ko.
Spicy siya sauce dahil. See? Perfect circle. Just like my score in math. So, dami ang ano ba?
Ang batatas.
Parhalang asas.
Hindi naman halang kung di pa ngayon or kaning isang gali pa lang. Pero at same naman ato.
So goods, bro. You know what's more goods? We layer it.
Sige, damihan mo.
Ay! And then we get more. Layer so you have more flavor. And you mix it. Gamit bitang patatas ko. Oh shit! So good! I get small only. Because it's halang. May bawang matulay oh.
Hindi ah.